So right as I come up from underground, the LAPD helicopter comes by, and I was told to leave. I'm leaving. There's a guy back in the underground part scrapping. I'm not going to be associated with that. I'm out of here, but what a day. I got to see underground a missile thing, and it was awesome. Okay, here they come again. They're making sure I take the road. Okay, actually, they're going back to where the scrapper guy was. Don't want to be him. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Whoops, Creepy Crawl with Sobear. Part 2. I'm still on the road downhill, and you can probably still hear the helicopter. Really hoping there's nothing waiting for me downhill. If there is, at least I get to keep the pictures and the film, right? Later. Hi-ho!